Over half of men over the age of 50 are struggling with a condition that silently disrupts their lives every single day. An issue so common, yet so rarely talked about. Every 5 minutes, another man develops symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Yet, many stay silent, unaware of the hidden dangers and powerful solutions that could change their lives. Frequent bathroom trips, interrupted sleep, and sudden, uncontrollable urges to urinate. These are just some of the frustrating realities of an enlarged prostate. If left untreated, it could lead to permanent bladder damage and kidney failure. In this video, we'll dive into the common symptoms of an enlarged prostate, explore a powerful vitamin known to genuinely help shrink it, and reveal a bonus herbal solution that could make a big difference. Stick around until the end for practical tips and tricks to help relieve these symptoms and improve daily comfort. What is an enlarged prostate? An enlarged prostate, medically known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a condition where the prostate gland gradually grows larger with age. This growth can lead to symptoms that affect daily life, such as frequent urination, particularly at night, a weakened urine stream, and challenges with starting or stopping urination. Common symptoms of an enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH. 1. Frequent urination. A need to urinate more often, especially during the night, nocturia. Point 2. Urgency to urinate. A sudden, strong urge to urinate that can be difficult to hold back. Point 3. Weak urine flow. A reduced urine stream compared to the usual flow. Point 4. Difficulty starting urination. Trouble initiating the flow of urine. 5. Dribbling. A sensation of incomplete bladder emptying, often causing dribbling after urination. Point 6. Straining to urinate. Needing to push or strain to start urinating. Point 7. Pain or discomfort. A feeling of discomfort or pain in the bladder area or while urinating. Point 8. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. Higher risk of infections due to incomplete bladder emptying. A highly effective natural remedy for BPH. Before diving into the best natural remedy for an enlarged prostate, let's look at a fascinating study that sheds light on the power of diet in managing symptoms. Over 4 years, researchers in China examined how dietary choices affect BPH symptoms. They discovered that men who regularly ate plenty of fruits and vegetables, particularly leafy greens, dark veggies, and tomatoes, experienced fewer symptoms and were less likely to see their BPH worsen over time. This finding suggests it's not just one magical nutrient at work, but rather the synergy of wholesome foods and a balanced lifestyle that brings real benefits. The role of powerful vitamin D in prostate health. Studies suggest that vitamin D, especially in doses up to 6,000 IU per day, may support prostate health by potentially reducing prostate volume in individuals with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Here's how vitamin D may help manage BPH symptoms. Hormonal balance. Vitamin D may help regulate hormones like testosterone and dihydrotestosterone, DHT, both linked to prostate growth. By potentially lowering DHT levels, vitamin D could contribute to a reduction in prostate size. Cell growth control. Vitamin D influences cell growth and apoptosis, programmed cell death, which could help limit the proliferation of prostate cells associated with BPH. Anti-inflammatory benefits. With its anti-inflammatory properties, vitamin D may reduce inflammation in the prostate, a factor often linked to BPH symptoms. Enhanced immune function. Vitamin D supports immune health, which may be beneficial for prostate health by reducing the risk of infections or other issues that could worsen BPH. Promising research findings. Some observational studies have found that higher vitamin D levels in the blood are associated with a lower risk of BPH symptoms, although further research is needed to confirm these effects. Now that we all know the most yet humble vitamin, let's move toward the herbal solution. Saw palmetto. A natural aid for enlarged prostate relief. Saw palmetto is a well-known herbal remedy frequently used to ease symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or an enlarged prostate. How saw palmetto works. 1. Saw palmetto may inhibit the conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone associated with prostate growth. 2. With its anti-inflammatory effects, saw palmetto may help reduce prostate swelling, potentially alleviating urinary symptoms. 3. Some research indicates that saw palmetto can improve urinary flow, reducing symptoms like frequent urination and urgency. How to use saw palmetto. 1. Saw palmetto is offered in various forms, such as capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. 2. Recommended dosage. A typical dose is around 320 mg of saw palmetto extract per day. Beta-sitosterol. A plant-based solution for BPH relief. Beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol, is commonly used as a natural aid to alleviate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or an enlarged prostate. How beta-sitosterol works. 1. Beta-sitosterol may improve urinary symptoms associated with BPH, including increased urinary flow, reduced frequency, and decreased urgency. 2. With its anti-inflammatory properties, beta-sitosterol may help reduce prostate swelling, supporting better urinary function. How to use beta-sitosterol. 1. Beta-sitosterol can be found in capsules, tablets, and powders, as well as naturally in foods like nuts, avocados, and seeds. 2. Recommended dosage. Typical daily dosages range from 60 to 130 mg, but it's always best to follow your healthcare provider's advice for an appropriate dose. Research and considerations. 1. Research indicates that beta-sitosterol may effectively relieve urinary symptoms and improve the quality of life for men with BPH, although more studies are needed to understand its benefits fully. Beta-sitosterol is generally safe, with rare side effects like mild gastrointestinal discomfort. 2. However, as with any supplement, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting, especially if you have other health conditions or are taking medications. Here are some practical tips and tricks for managing an enlarged prostate, BPH. Limit evening fluids. Try reducing fluid intake, especially in the evening, to minimize nighttime urination, nocturia, and improve sleep quality. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, which can irritate the bladder and increase urine production. Practice double voiding. After urinating, wait a moment and try to go again. This technique, called double voiding, can help empty the bladder more completely, reducing the need to urinate as often. Stay active. Regular exercise, especially activities like walking or swimming, can improve urinary flow and reduce BPH symptoms. Exercise can also improve cardiovascular health, which is beneficial given the link between BPH and cardiovascular conditions. Focus on a prostate-friendly diet. Include more vegetables, especially leafy greens and tomatoes, which contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fish, and plant sterols, like those in nuts and seeds, may also support prostate health. Try Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises, which strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, can help improve bladder control and reduce symptoms. To do them, tighten your pelvic floor muscles as if you're stopping urination, hold for a few seconds, and then release. Repeat several times throughout the day. Warm baths and relaxation techniques. Warm baths can help relax the prostate muscles and alleviate pain or discomfort. Mindful relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation can also relieve stress, which may otherwise worsen symptoms. Avoid certain medications. Some over-the-counter decongestants or antihistamines can worsen urinary symptoms by tightening muscles around the prostate and bladder neck. Consult your healthcare provider for alternatives if you need these medications. Discuss supplements with your doctor. Natural supplements like saw palmetto, beta-sitosterol, and pygium have been shown to relieve some BPH symptoms in certain cases, though results vary. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.